Hey, so it's currently 4:56 p.m. I didn't have class today. I only have class on Thursday because I'm still waiting to get my class schedule together. I gotta meet with my student advisor to talk, to plan basically. Because he tried telling me that it's too late to add classes now, but I don't know. I was waiting for approval of my class schedule, so I don't know. I have to book a schedule with him. He emailed me to book a schedule. I got a package today. I already know what's inside. It's my earring holders, so I'll be able to clear up my desk now. I could just put all my earrings in this. I'm super excited about that because I've been waiting for this to come specifically just because I have a lot of earrings and it just takes up a lot of space. This is basically what I wanted, this for my necklace stand, but instead they gave me a cardboard, glued on cardboard in the back. So at some point I gotta get another necklace holder, but one that is basically this size with this type of stand instead. I have a spare 5 minutes to do this because I gotta go to work. I start at 5:30, so I started at 4:58, so I have 5-10 minutes. So I have the rest of my stands. I have the glasses stand, bracelet, rings. So basically I was just missing the earring stand, so I could completely clear this. I really hope that this does not cause me to be late. But I feel doing this is more important. Totally not more important, but I will do it anyways. This literally looks so good already. I think I'm gonna do golden at the top, maybe. And then I don't know, we'll just see how this goes. Or maybe I'll do objects, because these are all objects at the top. So I really want to get this done, just because if I start doing something, then it's I want to get it done. But I really need to get going. But I'm let me just finish doing all of this. And it's actually going by pretty fast. I just have the other one to go. I mean, I pretty much did all my studs and everything. I just gotta do all the dangly ones. Yeah, so I'm done this board. I just gotta do the second one. It looks so much better. It looks so organized. That looks so good. I think I'll keep the dangly ones for later when I get back, but already looking at it already looks a lot better and a lot more organized. It just literally clears my mind from having it all stored on the desk to now. I don't know if all the dangly ones will fit though. It just looks so good. The only thing is that the hooks aren't going in, I guess because they're bent, but I'll just bend it the other way. I don't really wear those anyways, so it doesn't really matter if it's bent. I don't think these are gonna fit either because they're totally bent and tight. Yeah, I don't even think that's gonna fit. The only thing I don't like about this is that I can't put my hoops in because they're like, I guess the backing is like round and not flat, but everything else I could put in. Let me try though. Nah, it's not even gonna fit. I guess I can keep my hoops in here. This looks so good! Like, so much more organized.